In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Zoom, a powerful combination that can streamline your workflow and help you manage your tasks and meetings more efficiently. By connecting these two tools, you can seamlessly schedule and join Zoom meetings directly from ClickUp, saving you time and reducing the hassle of switching between platforms. So, let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll want to open your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in your workspace, look for the name of your workspace, the top of the screen, and click on it. This will serve as the gateway to your workspace settings and integrations, bringing you one step closer to connecting ClickUp with Zoom. After you've clicked on your workspace name, head over to the Settings tab. This is where you can manage all of the particulars of your workspace, including integrations like the one we're about to set up. Ensure you're in the right place by double-checking that you're seeing options related to your team's settings. Next, find the App Center within the settings. The App Center is essentially your hub for all the integrations available within ClickUp. It's a centralized space that allows you to manage existing integrations and discover new ones, like Zoom. Now that you're in the App Center, it's time to locate Zoom within the list of available apps. Click on Zoom to begin the integration process. This option provides all the necessary settings for connecting Zoom to your ClickUp account, ensuring all your meetings and tasks are harmonized. Finally, you'll see an option to connect Zoom. Simply click on Connect. This step will prompt you to authorize the connection between Zoom and ClickUp. Make sure you follow the on-screen instructions carefully, granting the necessary permissions to complete the connection. This ensures that ClickUp can manage Zoom meetings on your behalf, allowing you to create, join, and keep track of them from within ClickUp. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of integrating ClickUp and Zoom. Now, whenever you need to schedule a meeting, you can do it with ease directly from ClickUp. This integration is a game changer for productivity, letting you maintain your focus on tasks while handling meetings as a seamless part of your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your ClickUp and Zoom experience more productive and efficient. Until next time, happy working!